Maintenance. Oh, maintenance is so important. We are going to go in this series from zero to world-class maintenance. And we are going to take you step by step so that you can analyze gradually what is the step at which your organization is and how you can step it up and bring it to the optimal performance in that regard. Maintenance has been always an activity that has not been seen so important. But today, with all this competition that we have, it has turned really, really important. And that is why we are working on this series for you. It was like the ugly duckling. Always maintenance, oh yeah, those guys who come and patch things and repair things. That is a total different approach today in world-class maintenance, my friends. In order to be effective, if you want to be effective in anything, well, if you want to be effective in maintenance, you must be passionate about it. You must be really loving what you're doing, or else nothing is going to be running the way it should. So I really encourage you to do your best to enjoy the maintenance profession. Reliability and maintainability are the vision of maintenance. That is where we want to go. That is what we want to achieve. We want our equipment to be completely reliable, to have equipment that will run when we need it, that will run well when we need it, and of course, when we want to do some maintenance that is always necessary, to be able to do it with top maintainability. That means doing our job in maintenance as fast and efficient as possible. So that is the two elements of maintenance: reliability and maintainability. Now, we want to make sure that the organization has all the skilled people that we need. This is critical. Education and training are going to become a part of our jobs for everyone, maintenance and everybody else, because we want to bring our company to a higher level of performance, to be more competitive, to be stronger. And that is something that you can do if you propose everyone to be in constant education and in constant training. That is a key element in our process. Now, of course, in order to do this, we all need to have the right tools. The right tools, meaning professional tools, tools that we all are equipped to utilize perfectly, to take the most advantage of them, because that's the idea. The idea is that our tools be very functional because we know how to use them, right? So it is critical to have those right tools. Now, remember that in maintenance or in any other field of the activity, we are very competitive. Everything that we have to do, there is someone else trying to do it better. So we want to be very good at what we do because we are in a continuous competition, and we must acknowledge this and make sure that we are fit for that competition. Otherwise, we cannot get anywhere. It is important to understand now that the need that the industry does have is professional maintainers. We want all the technicians, all the people devoted to maintenance must feel that this is a professional task, a professional challenge, and we should all the time be in the search for better and better skills and better knowledge so that we really perform high level. We want to perform at the best possible performance ever. And now is probably the time in which technicians are the scarcest from all times in the past. So make sure that you have the competitive people in your team. Now, it is necessary to also understand that even if you are already a very good technician, there is the need to be updating your knowledge. Technology has evolved. Methods have changed. So we find ourselves in a more sophisticated activity all the time. We're going to talk in our series about all the processes that have gone through the history of maintenance, and we are going to make sure that you and your team are perfectly prepared to face the challenges of today. I am very glad to be with you again, and I hope that you will be with us in our next module next week. Thank you so much.